Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clone apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Advanced Features. Once you selected Advanced Features, scroll down the page, locate and click on Dual Messenger. Then here you should see Available Apps that you can clone on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now to clone any of these apps, let's say you want to clone Snapchat, just toggle this on. Then spot that says install a copy of Snapchat. Tap install from the pop. Now see, second copy of Snapchat installed. Now go back to the app menu. Then swipe through, you should see your main Snapchat account. Now, the clone Snapchat is going to show a cloned icon beside the real Snapchat app. Click on it. Then you should say set up a new Snapchat account. Now, if you go back to the clone page, scroll down, you should say contact, use separate contact list. So if you want to use separate contact list for your cloned Snapchat account, turn this on. Then you can easily use a separate contact list that is different from the main contact list you have on the main account here. Then to clone another account, come down to Dual Messenger and then turn on the account you want to clone. Then tap install from the pop. Then should say second copy of Messenger installed. Then again, go to where you see Messenger. Then should say the second copy installed beside it. You see that? So if you click on it to open it, then you'll be prompted to sign it to your Messenger account. Hang on, that is it. Then you should see an indication that this Messenger is cloned at the bottom right. So that's exactly how to clone apps on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.